Welcome to Marikamba PU College, Sirsi, Department of Physics. Today we will discuss about electric dipole placed in an uniform external electric field. Now what is a dipole? Now consider a first charge plus Q, another charge minus Q. These two are equal in magnitude but opposite in charges. They are separated by a small distance 2a. Therefore, this entire system constitutes electric dipole. Therefore, total charge of the electric dipole is always 0. This does not mean that this electric dipole possesses an electric field. It has a certain electric field. Now, consider an external electric field, uniform electric field, as represented by the parallel lines. Now, this is denoted by the letter E. Now, we are going to place this dipole in an external electric field. How does it behave? Now look at the dipole, it is slowly moving towards the electric field, uniform electric field. Now it is in the uniform electric field. As and when the electric field is present, the two charges experiences force, as we have already studied. The plus Q charge experiences a force in the upward direction, that is plus QE. Similarly, the negative charge experiences a force in the downward direction, that is given by F is equal to minus QE. Now these two electrostatic forces are equal and opposite. So therefore net force on the dipole is 0. Net force is 0. But these two forces are acting at two different points separated by a distance, and hence they constitute a rotational effect. Now that rotational effect we call it as torque. Now that torque we are going to calculate. Now look at the diagram. Now because of the plus QE force, positive charges moved through a certain distance because of that force. Similarly, the negative charge, it experiences a force F is equal to minus QE. Therefore, they have rotated through an angle theta. Now that is the angle theta. That angle is between the dipole moment P from negative charge to the positive charge and the direction of the electric field. That is the angle theta. Now we will work out what is the torque. For that purpose we have to calculate what is the perpendicular distance between the two charges. Now that red line indicates the perpendicular distance. Now we have to calculate what is that length. We know the length of the distance between the two charges, that is 2a, but we have to calculate what is the perpendicular distance at this position. For that one we will consider a right angle triangle. Now at the positive charge we are getting another angle theta, which is alternate angle to the earlier one. Now apply the sine theta definition opposite by the hypotenuse. From that one we can calculate the length of the opposite, that is red line, that is equal to 2a sine theta. Now we will work out what is torque. Now torque by definition, it is the product of force and perpendicular distance between the two forces. Now from the diagram, force is Q into E, either force on either charge, that is Q into E, and multiplied by the perpendicular distance as we have calculated, it is 2a sine theta. Now just rearrange the terms, we will get 2aq e sine theta. We are already familiar with what is 2aq. It is the dipole moment P. It is the product of either of the charge and the distance of separation. So that is equal to Pe sine theta. Now in the vector form, vector tau is equal to vector P cross E. Now that is the torque experienced by an electric dipole placed in an external electric field.